Welcome back to our favorite show, The Connected. So today I'm your host and today we are talking about the crucial topic, social issues in India. So today we have an expert, Ms. Bhavya, and she is a sociologist and she knows about these things, social issues of India, like that, caste system and gender equality, women's rights, child labor. So today we are talking on these topics. So Ms. Bhavya, hello. So are you feel good? Yes, I'm feeling very good. So, Miss Abhay, are you ready for these questions? Yeah, obviously. So, Miss Abhay, can you tell me what is caste system and why caste system affects the society? Like that? See, nowadays people have made a mentality that caste system is something on the basis we should discriminate people. But it is not the thing what is caste. In the earliest time, the caste was was created like that with the people who was doing a particular work. So by their work, their caste was able to know what they were doing. And in ancient time, the if the father is if a father is some Baba, then his son will be Baba and his son will be also Baba. So on that basis, on for that purpose, the caste was made. But nowadays, people have made a mentality that it is something on which we should discriminate people. So it is not the what they think, but it is something else. That's you see, caste system is a repeated. That's why caste system is active. So, what's your opinion on gender inequality? Why gender inequality happen in society? So, as you said, gender inequality. So it is in the previous time, our society was a man-dominating society, and nowadays also our society is man-dominating society. But by the help of education, the women have got many rights. In our constitution, we have many rights. So due to the patriarchal society, as we know, there is something which kept the women unaware about what they can do or how they can how they can express it. And in the Asian time, like if you are born, then if your parents let you study, you get to know about how many things you have, what you can do. And nowadays you are seeing some examples, but at the time, in the mother is taking you along with it, you only have to do household work and something like that. So the mentality of the women at that time was like that. So somewhere it also affected them. But nowadays, as our constitution don't discriminate us on the basis of gender, and we also have provided given some special rights to say what they want to say, and they can express themselves. So that is say women's right. So what's your opinion on women right? That you say कि women is mostly faces these things. See, as I said, our society is patriarchal society. So in like our society is men-dominated society, and nowadays also we have seen many cases for the dowry, the in-laws are beating the girl, and some other cases also. So in that matter, the government interferes in it, and for the sake of the girl, they have made some rights. So, as we know that Tory is illegal, and so many of the things are illegal, but nowadays also people are doing it. But if you are seeing those type of cases, you should complain about them, because if you don't take a step today, then you have to face in your future. So that you say, Bhavya, these things are happening. So what thing you want to say? How we can prevent humans from these things? Like, see, first of all, you said prevent things. So I would like to say, if the woman is educated, then she could just take a step by herself, and when you are educated, you get confidence and you are aware about your rights. But if in some cases the woman is not educated, and some people are saying it, might she be using mobile phones? So there are many ways you can get justice for yourself. So Bhavya, let's you say education is play a very important role in these things. So what does role education play for these things to stop these things? Can you explain it? As I said that if the woman is educated, educated, she know that there is nothing gender inequality. She know that both genders are equal, and constitution also going to help her. So when she know all these and some of the rights which are taught in her previous time, so she would not be afraid of anyone. So she could take a bold step towards for her sake. So when she's educated, this is all because she is educated, she is aware. So if you are not educated, you would not be aware. So like you say, so my second other question is that how we can prevent students, I mean childs from the child labor. Like, see, as you know, child labor is illegal. So, like whenever someone sees like there are some people who are forcing the child to do some work, so they can, if they are not able to take the case and fight for it for long, and they must go they the step but I know want to think make a video show police station like that. So what we have to do for these things? See, as you said, people are not doing anything for that. So in that case also, if they are educated, then they would be aware about it and they know what is legal and what is illegal. And if they are aware, then I am sure that the educated people would take a step for that. So thank you, Avya, to share your opinion on these things. So thank you for watching this show.